Welcome again to another video here. In this video here, I will show you how to use Claude Code inside the Vscode. First, open the extension tab inside the Visual Studio Code. In the search bar, type in Claude. Select the first result code, Claude Code for Vscode. Click Install. If a message appears asking you to trust the publisher, click Trust Publisher to confirm the installation. Once it's installed, you will notice a new Claude icon in top of the right corner of the Vscode. Click on the icon to open the login window. Here's where you can choose how to sign in. Most users, the easiest options they select is called Cloud subscription. Keep in mind you will need to pay a pro plan to be able to use this. You can also sign in as through the console and pay just for API usage instead of using the pro plan. Click on the preference sign in method and authorize access. After that, you will be connected and ready to use Cloud inside the Vscode. Now you can actually run prompts, write code with the AI system, and speed up your development process. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more guides like this. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.